Would you like to know exactly how to get a £1 million valuation this week?
Yes, please. Hi, we're Sam.
We're Sam.
And Phil.
And Phil.
Collectively, we are Sam and Phil from Firewave.
BTEC Anton Deck.
We're going to show you how you can get into £1 million plus val this week with just 3 simple steps. There you go. Ta-da! Define magic.
So the first thing to do is find out who is your target audience, and we want to get into a £1 million valuation. So the easiest way to do this is by council tax band. We know that 20 years ago or 30 years ago,
when I was a nipper,
the council did the work for us. They worked out what was valued at what price, and an H back then was probably £5,000 or something similar.
It was a bit higher
it's
than
not
that.
quite that now. So generally speaking, looking at G and H council tax bands, in the majority of areas, some areas are obviously different, but we're looking at the top 20% of the market here. G and H council tax bands are going to be $1 million or in that sort of region. Obviously, there are some E's and F's that are £1 million now, but they're quite a little bit harder to.
We have to research them properly, don't we?
Yes.
Whereas you know the G and H is the toppy market. So it's simple as that. And they're almost always unique homes as well.
So they're the people we're going to write to.
So now you've got your target market. Tick, the who. Now it's going to be the what. I get that to hold. What are you going to send them? Well, this is an example of one of our beautiful letters. And something, I just dropped, something you'll notice about it is it's several pages long. It's professionally printed. It's got photographs on it. It's not a leaflet. It's about as far away from a leaflet as you can possibly get. And that is a lot more time, effort and expense, isn't it? Why don't you send a leaflet?
Time and effort. So this is going to go to the homes that aren't on the market in council tax bands F, G and H or G and H. And the idea of this letter is that it's telling them about the opportunity that's currently around. It's long because we want to spend as long as we possibly can with them and speaking to them. A short letter hasn't got enough time to persuade, convince, build rapport.
I'm going to pick it up off my doormat, I'm going to read it on the way to the recycling and drop it in the recycling. The whole thing takes 5 seconds.
And it just straight away, as soon as it lands on the doorstep, it differentiates. It's different. It's the type of letter you would get off a friend that you haven't seen in years. It's not the type of letter you would generally get from an estate agent or a marketing company.
I mean, it almost reads like it's come from a wealth management company, which actually is, they're probably used to getting those kind of letters and reports. And also, if you've got a G or an H house in this country, you're probably quite a clever person. It's probably not landed on your lap by accident. So you're going to be educated, and you're going to expect the same level of education from somebody who is a professional, like an estate agent.
Yeah, so far we sent out about 1,200 of these. We've had 46 responses. The majority of those are £1 million plus or well in excess of $1 million, some up to 5 million. Our client in Peterborough has sent 2,200 and has already sold over £50,000 and has got still in leads coming in now. So this is the way to do it. It's all about making your own market right now. And the vehicle in which you send the letter is a handwritten envelope. It's really important that it's handwritten. We got a response in a beautiful part of the lakes, and he was the kind of guy who could say, look, why did you respond? One thing that was about the photos of us and how it was
just you, actually.
Very personal. It was just me and my family.
I wasn't there.
And the second thing was that it was a handwritten envelope. It sounds so simple. It takes a little bit longer to do, but it was a £2.25 million house we got into. It's a £30,000 instruction. I'm sure you'd like £30,000 just to write out a few envelopes. So make sure
your
it's stamped.
sister writing out envelopes, haven't you, next door?
I do.
I've just pinched one off her desk, and this is what it looks like.
Yeah, so it should really be blue pen.
And it should be a bit further down.
But actually, for not on the market, it doesn't matter as much that it's not blue pen. But stamped white envelope. No need to be trying to be clever with a not on the market. With on the market, it's a bit more challenging because we're expecting to be sold to. But not on the market, simple stamp, simple envelope, simple address. No need to say the occupier or any other rubbish, because just the address will definitely get into the right person's hands. Think about your house. If a letter like this comes to the door, who opens it? and the chances are it is someone, the person you would want to speak to in the house.
It's quite a weighty envelope as well, isn't it? Because it's
Made
got
of bang,
5
that.
sheets in it.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's how to do it. So there you go.
Go.
The who, what, and how of getting you into £1 million or more property in the next week. Are you up for the challenge?
And we know from a lot of experience, these letters take a long time to write and edit and master. And we know of people that have watched our videos and tried to write themselves and had a little bit of success, and then decided, can't bother with that, let's join them and get given them every month. And
We even run sometimes workshops where we teach you exactly how to write it, and it takes all day. It's taken us, between us, over 2 decades worth of experience to learn how to write a letter. If you want a shortcut and get one in your hands this week, this is how to do it.
yeah, so every quarter we get given on the market letter, and they have been our strongest assets and best. I think actually where's Harry from? Leicester.
Leicester, yeah.
Is with a very large company. I'm sure you know it very well, at the top end of the market. He said it was the best marketing campaign he's ever done. He had over £300,000 worth of valuations, which is...
And by the way, we wouldn't sell it if we didn't do it ourselves. We do it, we test it, we sell it, and therefore we're all sharing in the same success. So if it's good enough for Ashdown Jones, then maybe it's good enough for you.
But your challenge is, we already have 80 areas covered as of today. There are only around 150 areas in the whole of the UK.
Because we only work with 1 agent per competitive area.
And therefore, the chance of your area being taken is more than 50%. So, to find out if your area is taken, this is where you need to go.
Do it right now. Don't wait, because your competitor could be typing in his email address right now.
So it's fire-wave.co.uk/start. Fill in your regular details there, and a member of the team will be in touch as soon as it lands in our inbox.
Just to tell you if your area is free and what the next steps are, and whether you're a good fit for us, and vice versa. But we really look forward to chatting with you more about how we can get you into those multi-million-pound valuations. So watch this space. We'll speak to you soon. Bye.